Hello Internet, and welcome to episode 1 of Eco Spirit Life. We're on an adventure that we want to share, and we really appreciate that you clicked in.
We are Liana and Murray, and in 2020 we decided to quit our jobs and move full-time into our somewhat rustic, oceanfront cabin full-time. Our cabin is gorgeous in the summer, but in the winter it's cold and rainy and muddy, and we long for travel south.
Yeah, we're driving from our home in Canada to Baja, Mexico in our 2001 Nissan Xterra, and we're towing our home-built overlanding trailer, and we've got our two dogs with us, Bevan the Irish Terror and Viento the Baja street dog. We have a lot of special places we want to show you. This isn't a quick trip down the highway to Cabo. We'll be in the area for months, and we want to soak up and share everything we can. Getting the trailer together.
Day one of our vacation. Dreary, rainy Vancouver weather. We've just crossed into the US border, and Murray is off picking up some packages that he had in Blaine.
Okay, we're a little bit of a roll.
One of our first stops. Get some US data. A lot of clouds and rain expected. We're trying to get up over the mountain passes before it gets too ugly with snow. I left my purse in a Pizza Hut. I didn't realize I didn't have it with me until we were 5 or 6 hours away.
Is there a location, a UPS location in Las Vegas where I can do a hold for pickup?
The sweet girl working at Pizza Hut, she is taking it to a UPS office down the street, and they are going to get it to us overnight into Las Vegas.
And that will give her $285 US. It's going to cost $170-ish, maybe more.
So Murray had to hitchhike with the gas can into town, and this lovely woman stopped and picked him up.
Yeah.
Do you want me to hold something?
Yeah, you can hold that right there. We are going to our rescuer's house to have a look at their fence, which blew over, so I'm going to see if I can help them. Okay. The height's are a little different.
Kind of because an angle, I think.
I'm going to just pop it apart for a second. Sure. And pull it out.
We haven't driven very much yet today, just it's been a stressful time. So I'm thinking we're going to be driving late into the evening.
It doesn't hurt at all.
No,
It
it
just
doesn't
kind of
hurt.
tickles, right?
Yeah. It's just weird to think that a fish is eating my feet.
I can pass up, but I can't.
Tequila! hoping to find a place a little less rocky to set up my desert garage.
We'll do some work on the suspension. I've got new axle U-bolts. Bit of a learning curve for me. I haven't done suspension work before, but we're getting there. I had a fellow roll by this morning, and he and some buddies are heading to the hills today and through the weekend for a bit of a guy's weekend in the desert. High school buddies. He said there'll be 8 to 10 of them in total. A little bit of booze, a little bit of weed, and a whole lot of guns. Shooting off a lot of rounds this weekend, so I probably won't enjoy that all that much, and the dogs definitely won't. So we will pack up and move on towards Yuma a little further. It's not helping, Bevan. There's no rats there. And now we know what the hole was for. Right, Viento? Thinking ahead. She's in her happy place, laying in the dirt in the sunshine. All right, one of the projects I need to tackle is this roof rack. Right now I have those ramps just sitting on the roof of the Xterra. Got these 2x8s. I'm cutting out spots where the floor will go, the 2x4s, cross braces if you want to call them that. I've got, I'll cut 2 more bottom pieces, and then I'll cut an end, and we'll be good to go. The roof rack is finished, looks good. I'll get some eye hooks to, instead of the screws, just to help hold the cargo net down. Just leaving the desert camp and heading towards Victorville to pick up a new window for the trailer. Well, another project on the list is to replace this window that got broken on our last trip. Window looks great. They're always so pristine at the start. All right, the old window's stripped out easy enough. Okay, well anyways, there's the finished window, and not the best instructional, but a few little tips. The one being cut the outside hole slightly smaller than the trim, and then the other one, clamp the window together or hold it tight when you put the screws in so that you avoid stripping the aluminum. All right, we're at the airport looking for Liana. She's just come back from Cancun. I see her just there. Nice thing with the yellow Xterra, it's easy to pick out of a crowd. She's looking a little tanned.
Mommy, move! Mommies! Hello, dogs. Hello, puppies. Relaxing in the sunshine. No, Viento. This one can make the most out of any sunshine.
Yep, bone dry. It's 30 gallons, so it'll take a little bit. Tank's full.
Then turn right onto South 4th Street.
Play a little.
Continue for 4 kilometers.
Take it down to 20.